So, hi dear Pisces, very good evening to you guys. This is Tarot Anjali, and this is a general Osho Zen Tarot messages. 7 day 7 Osho Zen Tarot messages for all the Pisces, Sun, Moon, Venus rising from today till the 15th of Feb 2026. For personal reading, healing sessions, check out the description box. You'll find the links below. For tarot reading course, self love course, and Ho'oponopono Masterclass 2, links are given below. So, let's start. Overall energy for Pisces people for this week. We have intensity, so you guys are going to feel a very intense desire or intense energy to go in a particular direction in your life. It's going to be like one of those weeks for you guys where all of your focus is going to be on something or someone, and you guys are going to have this intense energy of going in that direction, no matter how many obstacles or challenges or whatnot you are going to face in this direction. You are not going to stop for anything or anyone. It's like that kind of intensity towards a particular situation or goal of your life. Okay, you guys are going to be like, oh, I have to make this shit happen no matter what. Okay, let's see for this week what we have. Healing for the ninth, we have healing. The moment you are going to open up to the healing energy, universe will start sending you all the healing energies that are required for you to heal yourself, whatever it is, whether it's a physical thing or emotional or mental, or there is something related to your spiritual growth and expansion. There is a lot of healing energy around you on this 9th of Feb. So the moment you're going to decide to release something out of your life, out of your system, you are going to feel the healing process will start organically, naturally and organically. And then there's help around you if you are going to look for it. 10th, we have traveling. For some of you, you guys will be literally traveling. There are going to be some kind of obstacles or challenges on the way, but you guys will be able to make it at the end of the day. You guys will be able to figure it out. For others of you, it might be some kind of issue that you guys are facing in a particular direction of your life. You guys might not be able to figure it out right now. Like, you guys will not be able to understand what you should do. Start taking the initial steps in this direction, and you will be able to see the next step and next forward. Don't worry about the fog and the foggy energies around you right now. You will be able to see the path crystal clear in front of you when you will start walking that direction. Slowly but surely, you guys will be able to figure it out. 11th, we have playfulness. Now, the more you are going to stay in your own zone, the more you are going to enjoy your life to the fullest without thinking too much about what other people are going to think about you, what society is going to think about it, the more your life is going to be peaceful, smoother, and happy. Instead of thinking too much about what other people are going to think about it, think about yourself. What do you feel about yourself? What do you think about yourself? What do you how you are as a person, as a soul. Okay, you don't have to uh, stay in a box just because other people are not able to understand you, right? Until unless you are hurting or harming anyone, just live your life in a playful way, in a beautiful way, and keep going. Don't worry too much about what others will think. Okay. 9, 10, 11. 12th, we have the dream. Now, you might be living in this kind of illusion that only other person can make you happy, only a group of people or maybe a romantic partner can give you the ultimate happiness that you guys are looking for in your life. It's just the last illusion that all of us have to drop, that other person is responsible for our happiness. That's just the illusion. Nobody is perfect. Nobody is responsible for your happiness. Nobody is responsible for your miseries. It's you and only you. You can keep yourself happy. Then you can attract the right kind of energy in your life only. If you are going to continuously wait for somebody else to make you happy and to heal you, you are going to be always disappointed, right? 9, 10, 11, 12. 13th of Feb, we have turning in. So Pisces, the more you are going to turn into yourself, like connect with your intuition, connect with your own energies, the more you will be able to get the answers loud and clear within yourself regarding life situations, regarding some kind of solutions that you're seeking for in a particular direction, right? So it's about you turning into yourself, into your own energies, trusting yourself, trusting your gut and your intuition to get some kind of solutions or solution to the problem that you're facing in a particular direction, or simply seeking guidance from the outside world is not going to work out for you at this moment. You know the answers, you know the solution, go for it. Just turn into yourself. Sit in silence, connect with your inner self, and you will be able to get the answers loud and clear. Okay, my love. 14th, we have understanding. Now you have to understand a point very, very strongly here. Only you are the one to blame here for your own things. Whether you are not able to fly high, whether you are not able to get your freedom, whether you are not able to do whatever you want to do, you have created your own mental jail, mental blocks, and excuses around you. No matter, freedom costs you a lot. The art of doing whatever the hell you want to do with your life costs you a lot. For that you have to be rebellious, for that you have to be, you know uh, different, you have to be daring. If you are not able to do that, you are the one to blame here. You have to understand that point. Nobody is stopping you from doing what you want to do in your life but you. Right. Hard to swallow, but this is the truth. 15th, we have adventure. Now for some of you, you guys are literally going on some kind of adventurous trip, or some you guys are going somewhere and you guys are very, very excited about it like a kid. It can be a little adventurous trip for some of you. For others of you, it could be like you guys are trying to do something totally different that you have never tried before in this lifetime, especially regarding your spiritual growth, and you guys are going to be quite excited about it like a kid. And actually you should be. So go ahead, whatever it is, go ahead like a kid, like energy, like wonder and innocence, and enjoy the experience. Whether the experience is going to be good or bad in itself, there's nothing good, there's nothing bad. Everything on this planet earth is an experience. We humans give it the name of good or bad or something. Everything is an experience. Every day, every minute, everything is an experience. Okay, so this adventure, go ahead with the kid like energy, kid like innocence, and whatever is going to come out of it is actually going to help you to grow. Okay, as a person, as a soul. So just enjoy the journey, enjoy the adventure. Okay, my love, let's see the guidance for you guys for this week. तुमको खोकर फिर से पाने की. We have the thunderbolt. Okay, something for those of you who are working on their spiritual growth consciously, you guys are going to have a major, major, major awakening this week. Okay, so don't be so surprised or don't get so shocked when you are going to feel like everything is falling apart. It's actually the universe working in your favor, so that it can make room for the new version of you. Otherwise also, if something is falling apart, if something is not making sense anymore, or situation is no longer the same as it used to be, just make sure the universe is giving you the opportunity to become the version that you want to become in your life. This is just the start of something brand new. Instead of taking it as a punishment, or getting shocked and feeling like, oh my god, another tower, another this, another that, take it as the universe making room for that manifestation of yours that you always wanted to have in your life. This is a clean slate kind of energy for you guys. Cool. So yeah, thank you so much for tuning in, Pisces. We'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye, take care, may existence bless you. Namaste.